Today I'm going to show you how I change my rear brake pads on my KTM. All we're going to need is some needle nose pliers and our new set of rear brake pads. Easy peasy. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to take this caliper and give it a good hard push. You want to get this piston all the way back so that the brake pads are easier to get to. And then you're just going to take your needle nose pliers and pull these cotter pins straight out. And make sure not to lose them. And then there's this pin right here that we're just going to push straight out, and it's going to come out the back side here. And then you just pull these rear pads straight out. Okay, now we're going to put the new brake pads in. So I've got my pin here, and I've taken a little Brillo pad and just kind of lightly scrubbed it to get some of the grease and dirt off of there. So these are just going to slide right back into where you had them. And I like to take my pin and start putting it in so it holds that brake pad in place. When your brake pads are really worn down, this piston is going to be pretty far out. So all you have to do is take something to kind of help push this piston back a little bit more with just a really gentle push. If it's not responding and you're having a hard time pushing it in, you might need to open up your reservoir because it might be kind of backed up with fluid. And then as you push the piston out, a little bit of brake fluid will come up, so you just want to keep an eye on that. Okay, then we're going to drop this second brake pad back in, push this pin through. Okay, so now that we've got the pin back through there, we're going to put our cotter pins back in. And so we're just going to put them straight into the holes on the pin there. One, and the second one. Okay, now that those are back in, the very last step is you're going to take your rear brake pedal and just give it a couple pumps so that the piston can move and tighten around the rotor so that you're ready to ride the next time. And that is how you change your rear brake pads on a KTM.